Good afternoon, dear students. How are you? Okay, can we start today's lesson? Okay, are you happy? Good. Have you done your homework? Okay, any doubt from that section? Good. Today we are going to discuss about our exercise 4.2 after question 3. There are some homework. Is it? Yes. That is in question number 3. Third part is C part. Exercise 4.2. Page number is 86. Question number 3. C part. That is, what is C part? That is, we want to give steps will you use to separate the variable and then solve the equations. That is 20p by 3 equal to 40. Is it? Yes. That is 20p by 3 equal to 40. First step is we multiply by 3 on both sides. That is 3 into 20p by 3 equal to 3 into 40. Is it? Yes. That is next step we get 20p equal to 120. 20p equal to 120. That is p equal to 120 by 20. P equal to 120. That is second step. That is here is second step. That is 20p equal to 120 and second step is divide 20 on both sides. Divide by 20 on both sides. That is, we can write 20p by 20 equal to 120 by 20. 20p by 20 equal to 120 by 20. That is p equal to 60. P equal to 60. P equal to 60. P equal to 60. That is required solution. Which is the required solution? Which is the required solution? That is, we can check when we give P as 60, 20 into 60, 120 by 3, we get 40. That is LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Is it clear? Yes. Is it? That is LHS equal to RHS and next is same as this question. D is for your homework. Okay. And fourth is solve the following equation. Fourth question is solve the following equation. We want to solve our equations. That is, first one is 10p equal to 100. 10p equal to 100. That is, here which way we solve? We already study step by step. So we divide 10 on both sides. P equal to 10. P equal to 10. That is 10p by 10 equal to 100 by 10. That is p equal to 10. 10p by 10 equal to 100 by 10. That is we divided by 10 on both sides. Divide by 10 on both sides. Then we get 10p by 10 equal to 100 by 10. That is p equal to 10. P equal to 10. Is it? Yes. That is. Next question is what? 10p plus 10 equal to 100. 10p plus 10 equal to 100. That is what may be the answer? What is the answer? Is it? What is the answer? What is? That is first we subtract 10 on both sides. 10p plus 10 minus 10 equal to 100 minus 10. That is 10p plus 10 minus 10 equal to 100 minus 10. That is what we get. What we get? We get 10p equal to 90. 10p equal to 90. Is it? Yes. And next step, divide 10 on both sides. We get 10p by 10 equal to 90 by 10. 90 by 10. That is p equal to 9. P equal to 9. P equal to 9. That is when we checking this, LHS is 10p plus 10. That is 10 into 9. LHS equal to 10 into 9 plus 10. That is 90 plus 10. We get 100. That is equal to RHS. RHS. That is equal to RHS. That is which is required solution. Which is the required solution. Is it? Yes. And next one is what? Simple. Third one is p by 4 equal to 5. That is for your homework. That is C is homework. And next D. D is minus p by 3 equal to 4. Minus p by 3 equal to 5. What is the answer? Which is the answer? That is here we can multiply by 3 on both sides. Then we get 3 into negative p by 3 equal to 3 into 5. That is 3 into negative p by 3 means negative p equal to 50. Negative p equal to 50. We multiply negative 1 by 1 on both sides. We get negative 1 into negative p equal to negative 1 into 50. Is it? Yes. That is p equal to negative 50. 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 That is the answer. That is the answer. Is it? Yes. That is p equal to negative 50. And next one is what? Here is also negative p equal to p by 3 and Here first we multiplied 3 on both sides, is it? Yes. Then we get negative p. Here 3 is cancelling, and 3 into 5 we get 15. Negative p equal to 15. And next what is we get? And here is, when we put here is negative p, so we want to find the value of p for solution. So we multiply negative 1 on both sides. Negative 1 into negative p equal to negative 1 into negative 1 into 15, not negative 15. That is p equal to negative 15. P equal to negative 15. That is, we can check LHS equal to negative p by 3. That is negative. What is p? Negative 15. That is negative of negative 15 by 3. That is 15 by 3. That is 5. That is equal to RHS. That is equal to RHS. That is equal to RHS. That is, next question is same as E. That is it clear? Fourth question, F part. What is F? F is, sorry, E. We didn't done E. E is, what is 3p by 4 equal to 6. 3p by 4 equal to 6. 3p by 4 equal to 6. Then what is the answer? First we multiply by 4. That is 4 into 3p by 4 equal to 6 into 4. That is, we get 3p equal to 24. Is it? 4 into 3p by 4 equal to 6 into 4. Next step, if you convert to 3p equal to 24, p equal to 24 by 3, that is equal to 8. That is equal to 8. That is, we divide by 3. That is, for more clarification, we can write 3p by 3 equal to 24 by 3. We divide by 3 on both sides, we get 3p by 3 equal to 24 by 3. That is p equal to 8. P equal to 8. We can check. That is LHS equal to 3p by 4. That is, here p is 8. That is 3 into 8 by 4. Is it? Yes. Here we can cancel or multiply. That is 3 into 8, 24. 24 by 4 we get 6. Or otherwise, when we simplify, this is 1 and this 2. That is 3 into 2 we get 6. We get 6. That is equal to RHS. That is equal to RHS. That is equal to RHS. Next question is F. F is very simple. So for your homework, F is for your homework. Please write your homework in your notebook. And next is G. G question is G question is 3s plus 12 equal to 0. 3s plus 12 equal to 0. That is what? That is, here is, first we subtract 12 on both sides. We can write 3s plus 12 minus 12 equal to 0 minus 12. That is 3s equal to negative 12. That is, when we take subtraction 0 minus 12, we get negative 12. That is s equal to negative 12 by 3. That is, we take the division 3s by 3, we divide throughout by 3. That is, we get 3s by 3 equal to negative 12 by 3. Negative 12 by 3. That is negative 4. Negative 4. S is negative 4. S is negative 4. That is, which is the required solution. Which is the required solution. Which is the required solution. That is, when we put the value of S in equation, that is LHS equal to 3s plus 12, that is 3 into negative 4 plus 12, that is equal to 3 into negative 4 means negative 12 plus 12, that is 0, which is equal to RHS. Which is equal to RHS. Is it? That is, S equal to negative 4 is required equation. Is required equation. And next one is 3s equal to 0. 3s equal to 0. H question. H question. 3s equal to 0. What is the answer? Anyone can say? First we take the division. Is it? Yes. We divide 3 throughout this equation. That is 3s by 3 equal to 0 by 3. That is s equal to 0. S equal to 0. That is, when we divide 3s by 3, we get s. 0 by 3 means 0 division 3, that is 0. That is LHS equal to 3f 3 into 0. Value of s is 0, so we put 3 into 0. That is, we get answer as 0. That is equal to RHS. That is equal to RHS. That is RHS. Is it? Yes. And I, J, K are for your homework. I, J, K. Very simple equations. You can find the solution. And next one is L. Next is L. L is, what is the question? L is 2q plus 6 equal to 12. 2q plus 6 equal to 12. That is, here first step we subtract 6 on both sides. That is That is 2q plus 6 minus 6 equal to 12 minus 6. That is 2q equal to 6. 2q equal to 6. That is, here is 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 12 minus 6, we get 6. That is, next we divide 2 on both sides. 2 cube by 2 equal to 6 by 2. 2 cube by 2 equal to 6 by 2. We divide 2 on both sides, we get 2 cube by 2 equal to 6 by 2. That is q equal to 3. Q equal to 3. That is, we can check LHS equal to 2 into 2q. Our LHS is 2q plus 6. So 2 into 3 plus 6, that is 6 plus 6 equal to 12. Equal to 12. Equal to 12. That is RHS. That is RHS. That is RHS. Is it? Yes. Yes. Is it? Yes. That is, next is what is? So we finish our exercise 4.2. Is it? Yes. And next we are going to discuss more equations. That is, solve and we use transport. Is it? Transporting. Is it? That is, we use the method transposing. We use the transposing. That is, first is, for example, 4 into m plus 3 equal to 18. 4 into m plus 3 equal to 18. Four into m plus 3 equal to 18. Is it? Yes. That means here, what is 4 into m plus 3 equal to 18? Here we transposing 4 to right side. That is, here is multiplication. Is it? Here is multiplication, and so when we transposing, that is going to division. That is, m plus 3 equal to m plus 3 equal to 18 by 4. 18 by 4. Is it? Yes. That is, here we can simplify. That is, 18 by 4 means m plus 3 equal to 9 by 2. Is it? Yes, 9 by 2. And we want to find the value of m. So next we transposing 3. That is going to right side. Then we can write m equal to 9 by 12 minus 3. 9 by 12. Sorry, 2, not 12 minus 3. Is it? Yes. That is, we can write 9 minus 6 all divided by 2. That is, we take as LCM as 2, then 3 into 2 we get 6. So 9 minus 6 by 2, answer is 3 by 2. Answer is 3 by 2. Is, that is, m is 3 by 2. We can check. When we check the value, or we take LHS, 4 into what is m? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 3. 3 by 2 plus 3. That is, here is also LCM 2. That is 4 into 3 plus 6 whole divided by 2. That is 4 into 9 by 2. That is 2 into 9, we get 18. we get 18, that is RHS. We get 18, this RHS, that is RHS. That is, when we take LHS, we are coming to equal to RHS. Is it? Yes. And this is, for there is also another example in your textbook, that is minus 2 into x plus 3 equal to 8. Minus 2 into x plus 3 equal to 8. That is, here what is the answer? That is x plus 3 equal to 8 by minus 2. 8 by minus 2. That is, next step, x plus 3 equal to negative 4. X plus 3 equal to negative 4. Is it? X plus 3 equal to negative 4. That is, x equal to negative 4 minus 3. That is transposing. Here 2 is transposing, then we get division. Here is multiplication, then transposing 2, we get division. Here addition. So x plus 3 equal to negative 4. 3 is transposing. That is, addition is transposing, going to subtraction. That is, x is negative 7. X is negative 7. Is it? Yes. That is, x plus 3 equal to 8 by negative 2. That is, x plus 3 equal to negative 4. That is, x equal to negative 4 minus 3. That is, we get negative 7. We can check. That is, LHS equal to negative 2 into what is the value of x, which is the required solution. That is solution negative 7. That is negative 2 into negative 7 plus 3. That is negative 2 into negative 7 plus 3. We get negative 4. Answer is 8. That is, which is equal to RHS. Which is equal to RHS. Which is equal to RHS. Is it? Yes. Which is equal to RHS. And next is from solution to equation. We are next going to discuss about solution to equation. Is it? Are you ready? That is, we discussed or familiar with the equations and find the solution. Is it? Yes. Sometimes they give solutions. That is, x equal to 5 and find 3x, or x equal to 9. That is, we give, that is, x equal to 5 and take 3 times of x, or find 3 times of x, or multiplying on both sides by 3. That is, 3x equal to 50. That is, 3 into x equal to 5 into 3. 3 into x equal to 5 into 3. Is it? 3 into x equal to 5 into 3. Is it? Yes. That is, we get 3x equal to 15. 3x equal to 15. Add 7 on both sides. Add 7 on both sides. That is, 3x plus 7 equal to 15 plus 7. That is, 3x plus 7 equal to 22. 3x plus 7 equal to 22. Is it? Yes. Or otherwise we can ask you like you can add or subtract or multiply or divide. That are depending upon your situations. Okay. That is. There is a for your new textbook page number 88. There is a definition. So write in your notebook and please make it a box. Okay. And next one is we are going to discuss about exercise 4.3. We are going to discuss about exercise 4.3. That is, can we start? Are you ready? That is, first question is solve the following equation. We want to solve the following equations. That is, first we study step by step, and first we study trial and error method, and next step by step, and at last we study the transposing. Transposing method is very simple, easy. Is it? Is it? Yes. Good. Can we start our exercise? Okay. That is exercise 4.3. Page number is 89. Page number is 89. That is, first question is solve the following equations. That is 2y plus, first question, 2y plus 5 by 2 equal to 37 by 2. That is, here we use the transposing method. Here we use the transposing method. That is 2y equal to 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. That is 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. That is 37 by 2. Here as denominators are same, so we can write 37 minus 5 by 2 all divided by 2. That is 32 by 2. We get what? We get what? 16. Is it? That is 2y equal to 16. Y equal to 16 by 2. 8. Y equal to 16 by 2 equal to 8. Equal to 8. That is, we can check. That is, this solution is unique. Is it? Only one solution. For this equality satisfied when we give y as 8, then this equality is satisfied. Another value give to y, this equality or this equation not satisfied or not occupied. Is it? Yes. That is, we can check 2y plus 5 by 2. Is it? That is what? But here y is 8. That is 2 into y is 8. 8 plus 5 by 2. This is our LHS. Is it? Yes. That is 2 into 8 means 16. 16 plus 5 by 2. 16 plus 5 by 2. That is, here we take LCM as what? 2. That is 16 into 2 plus 5 by 2. That is 32 plus 5 by 2. That is 37 by 2. Which is RHS. Which is our RHS. That is, which is our required solution is y equal to 8. Our required solution is y equal to 8. And second question is B part is B part is 5t plus 28 equal to 10. 5t plus 28 equal to 10. That is, can we start? Are you ready? Okay, good. That is, can you find the solution? Yes, that is 5t equal to 10 minus 28. 28 is transposing, is it? Yes. That is, we get here we what we get negative 18. Is it? Is it? When we subtract 10 minus 28, that is, we take the difference and put the biggest integer sign. Is it? Yes. That is t equal to negative 18 by 5. Negative 18 by 5. Then can we check? Can we check? That is which way we checking? That is we check LHS. First we take LHS and next we get what we get? We get RHS. Is it? Is it? Yes. That is first here 5t. That is 5t. That is LHS equal to 5t plus 10. Sorry, 5t plus 28. That is 5 into here. What is the t? Here what is the t? T is negative 18 by 5 plus 28. That is, here we get negative 18 plus 28. That is, we get 10. We get 10. That is RHS. That is our RHS. And what is our C part? C part is a different. So we can start our C. Is it clear? Okay. C equal to A by 5 plus 3 equal to 2. That is A by 5 plus 3 equal to 2. That is, you want to find the value of A or in solution, putting the solution. That is, first A by 5 equal to 2 minus 3. That is, 3 is transposing. Then A by 5 equal to negative 1 and A equal to negative 5. That is 5 is transposing. That is negative 5 means negative 1 into 5. That is negative 5. That is negative 5. Is it? Yes. That is A equal to negative 5. That is when we give the value to A, that is our LHS equal to A by 5 plus 3. A means negative 5 by 5 plus 3. That is negative 5 by 5 means negative 1 plus 3. That is, here we get 2. Here we get 2. Here we get 2. That is, this is our. And this is what? Next is same as C question. This is our C part. Next is same as C question. So it is for your homework. And next E is 5 by 2. E question Okay, 5 by 2 into x equal to negative 10. That is next step. 5x equal to negative 10 into 2. That is 2 is transposed. That is here is division. That is goes to multiplication. That is 5x equal to negative 20. Negative 20. That is x equal to negative 20 by 5. That is equal to negative 4. That is which is equal to negative 4. That is when we give x as negative 4, then we get negative 10 answer. That is LHS equal to 5 by 2 x. That is 5 by 2 into negative 4. That is 5 into negative 4 divided by 2. That is negative 20 by 2. We get negative 10. That is our RHS. That is equal to RHS. That is our RHS. This is the solution. That is x equal to negative 4, which is the prepared solution. And f and g are same as e part question. So that is for your homework. And today we study or we discuss the transpose. That is when we get a equation, then we make the transposing. That is addition is going to right side. Addition is transposing. It becomes subtraction. Multiplication is going to transpose. We get division. That is these are vice versa. When subtraction is going to or transposing, the operation is coming to or convert to addition, and division is going to or transposing, then it will convert to multiplication. Okay, see you in next class. I conclude my today lesson. See you.